Hey there, today we're going to look at how to create a professional poster using the Canva app on your mobile phone, so let's get started. First, open the Canva app and tap the plus button to start a new design. Choose custom size, then enter 1080 x 1920 pixels and tap create new design. Now let's set the background. Tap elements and tap search red background and pick a rich red color to match a pizza theme. Next, go back to Elements and search for Pizza Slice. Add one to the top of the poster. You can also search Cheese Drip to add a fun, decorative touch. Then tap Text and tap Add a heading and type your restaurant name like Pizzeria Delight. Use a bold font such as Anton and place it under the pizza image. Add a subheading with your main offer, for example. Buy one, get one free on all pizzas. Use a clean font like League Spartan. Now, add your address, phone number, and website at the bottom using a smaller, simple font like Open Sans. Make sure everything is aligned neatly. If you'd like, add social media icons for extra detail. Once you're satisfied, tap the download icon at the top and save your poster as PNG or JPG. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.